All right, ladies and gentlemen, Ben Dixon here with MLM Monday, episode 126. And today we'll be walking through our next trend on the direct sales trends sheet, Engage for Good. If you're just joining us here live today, go ahead and comment below live and where you're watching from. If you're watching on replay, comment below watching on replay and where you're watching from today. You know, the last few weeks we've been going through a series of trends in the direct sales, network marketing, MLM space. A ton of stuff is changing in the space right now, folks. If you're not watching some of the stuff with our video a couple weeks ago about some of the FTC stuff, lots of change going on. But a lot also about how customers behave and how people expect to buy here inside of 2020. So what is Engage for Good all about? Well, it means people who have social causes and higher good attract different people long term to not just buy their products once or twice, but over and over and over again. There's a ton of data in the report if you haven't downloaded it yet. Different trends from everywhere from here. Let me just take a look from Kantar to Unilever to Accenture. There's data everywhere about how having social causes tied to your brand allow customers and new people, both millennials and the age population, to not only buy your product the first time, but buy again, and again. And this is really practical, and I see this amongst my own clients. If you haven't yet plugged into a real cause that is meaningful to your product and your organization, you deserve to do it. There's clients who have causes that are like entrepreneurship overseas with microfinance. I have clients who have causes like ending human sex trafficking inside of the space and humans trafficking inside of the space. I have clients who have causes like the Wounded Warrior Project and supporting veterans inside of the space. So you want to start thinking about some of these things that are tied to the passion of your products and your service that really fit, that are congruent with who you are as a company, and go public with that. If some companies are doing pledges where they literally are donating, top 1%, top 5% of top line revenue to certain causes. Other companies have specific products inside of their mix that go to specific causes inside of the space. But engaging for good and selling with causes works. Okay, not only do many of you who run direct sales companies are passionate about causes anyway, and with the income you have from your company will be supporting causes. So why not make that public? It's not to shine the spotlight on you in any way, but to align with people who are also passionate about those causes. If you had $1 million extra in sales, what would you be giving to? How would you be donating in the space? Well, if you can be public about that with your program, you're going to align and attract with other people who've done that as well. Now, if you want more data on this report and the 6 key trends we're seeing in 2020 for direct sales, I'll put a link below in the comments where you can go download a copy so you can get into that action and take a look to be able to see that here inside of the space. There's a lot changing inside of direct sales right now, folks, and with the different launches we're involved in around the world, we're seeing a lot of stuff, and it's time to plug in and get real about what you need to win so you can win in the space. If you're running a team, same thing. Even if you're not running your own direct sales company, you want to digest the report and get this information so that you can start building your business in a way that's going to matter long term here inside of the space. I want to thank you guys for checking out the live today. Pumped to connect with you soon. We'll talk with you all then. Bye for now.